Well, growing up on it, like you guys, so I was on my WhatsApp, and then I saw on one of my friends' status posting RIP Merciless, and I was like, wait, must be a joke. So I went to Twitter, saw this where the Gleaner is confirming that he was found into an hotel, and then I went on Instagram on Pink Wall. I'd post a tribute from other artists, and I'm going to play it here. All right.
People just is like lost, and I say, I'm a musical brother, a friend. And I say, I'm going to donate a lot to the music industry from them times until now. And I'm saying my name is Leonard Bartley, aka Merciless. You just find him in an hotel. People, I just want to condolence to the whole family, and I'm saying, on behalf of General B, Boombox, everybody.
R.I.P. Leonard, you don't know. Never know whether I get a message like that. R.I.P. Leonard, friend Gerald. You don't know, it's sad, but it's a part of life, brother. We don't know what to say. It is, but them say them find it dead.
Have you ever get a sad phone call yet? One make you put your hand on your jaw and fret. Them say Leonard dead. Like now we need to understand if it's true or no. Even yet. Alright, condolence to the whole of the artist family them and the people them, you know, and the whole music fraternity. We're there, so Exodus through there right now. Freeze up. You know what I mean? Come up, please.
Yeah, man, a Jack suspense. What if a condolence to Merciless family? With the Exodus student, we just get a news so he can pass out. We all feel it, you know, our brother in the music business. Much love, you know, every time. Yeah.
We are saying, you know, just hear some Merciless dead, you know. Great DJ, you know, lyricist, bad DJ. Major Mackerel and the whole Boombox family, Exodus Studio and the whole music fraternity. Send condolence to the family, friends, fans and supporters, you know. And Merciless, rest in power, you know. Don't rest in peace, because anything peace can tear up, just rest in power. And one day me I go join you, but not right now. Not now. Me have some work I do. You ever just go and do your work, you know, but rest in power, we miss you. Love by all, hate by none, you know. Heart of love. Bam.